Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We will continue. I will talk about Calvin cycle, which is called the dark reaction or light independent reaction. Before I start, I want to remind you that photosynthesis is a biochemical pathway. Mona, you remember what is the meaning of biochemical pathway? No. Okay. Yes, say. Say, Farah.
Like اللي بيطلع من one reaction is a reactant in the other reaction.
Yes, very good. Biochemical pathway is a series of reaction. Okay, photosynthesis does not take place on one step. Respiration does not take place in one step. They are series of reaction. Okay, let us say مثلا reaction 1, 2, 3. The product of each reaction enter as a reactant in the other. You remember how we did it?
We said D equals C.
Yes, when we say مثلا A plus B gives not equal, gives C. خلاص. So C is the product of the first reaction. Okay. خلاص. The second step, we take this product and we use it as a reactant. So C plus D, for example, gives F. Okay. And when F is produced, it will be used as a reactant in the third step and so on. F plus G, for example, gives what? L, for example. So this is called biochemical pathway. Photosynthesis and respiration are biochemical pathways. They are series of reactions. The product of the first enter as a reactant in the second and so on till you reach the final product. This is okay? Page 1 is okay? I burn it? Burn. Okay. Type. So let us revise. What are the products of the light reaction, the first stage, that are needed in the dark reaction? Type. We said, if you attend the previous video about light reaction, from the light reaction 2 steps, مش كده؟ اللي هم ايه؟ electron transport chain and the chemiosmosis, production of ATP, صح؟ طيب, the reaction, the total products of the 2 stages of light reaction كانوا 3 products يا من اللي هم ايه؟ oxygen وناد BH و ATP, صح؟ طيب, الاكسجين we don't need it anymore. It will not enter the Calvin cycle. So this is why it goes as byproduct. Number 2, ATP we need it, so it stays. Number 3, NAD PH, and we also need it. So from the 3 products of light reaction, we need only 2 products to continue with us in the dark reaction or Calvin cycle. What they are? ATP, excellent, and NADPH, right. Type. Why they are important? In what way we need it? What are their importance? Type. Listen to this. Now, in photosynthesis, the overall reaction that we take carbon dioxide and we convert it to sugar. And we took before that sugar is carbohydrate. It is CHO compound, right? Okay. This is called carbon fixation. You know why it is called carbon fixation? Because carbon dioxide is a gas. So it will be dissipated. It will be lost in the atmosphere. But when you change the carbon dioxide gas into sugar solid, it stays in the cell. You are fixing the carbon. You got it? This is why it is called carbon fixation. Means fixation of carbon dioxide gas into sugar can be stored in the cell, or carbohydrate can be stored in the cell. So again, sugar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You remember the first term, لا قدر الله, glucose is consisting of 6 carbon atoms. Okay? Type. Sugar is carbohydrate, so we need carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, right? Type. The carbon dioxide contains carbon and oxygen. خلاص? So what do we need to make hydrogen? Excellent. So we need hydrogen. So what brings the hydrogen to us? The NADPH. I was thinking about respiration, I think. Okay? So NADPH, the product of the light reaction, which enters as a reactant in the Calvin cycle, its role is to supply carbon dioxide with the missed element, which is hydrogen. خلاص? So this is the function of NADPH. Type. ATP, what is its function? طب listen to this. Carbon dioxide is a very simple compound. Sugar is complicated, as you see. So there are many bonds between a carbon and carbon and other elements like hydrogen and oxygen, right? Type. To make bond, what do we need, Yamona?
Energy?
Excellent, energy. I wonder that Farah is better than you in biology. I will change my opinion regarding you, ya Farah.
No,
Okay.
I'm not good at biology.
You are not good? Okay, I know. Don't tell me about this. I'm sure about it. Okay, so in